Why am I not being offered disc replacement? Is this an insurance thing? Does my doctor just not have the experience necessary? Maybe you want a surgeon that's done thousands of disc replacement surgeries. At betterdiscreplacement.com, we will explain all the reasons why you might be denied disc replacement surgery when you actually are a good candidate for disc replacement. Then, we will offer you a free MRI review by one of the most experienced disc replacement surgeons in the world. Yes, I said in the world. Learn how we can do multi-level disc replacement surgery in the lumbar and the cervical spine. Learn how patients with severe degeneration requiring stabilization of fusion can still maintain motion using advanced combinations of disc replacement and less invasive spinal fusion techniques. Go to betterdiscreplacement.com now to start your journey.